Hello to my tail king queens and welcome back to a new video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a high ponytail using regular braiding hair. Now my hair was already up before this, so I'm going to leave half of that up because my hair is short and it's going to be harder to get it into a ponytail. So I just left the back already up and gel down as it was before, and now I'm going to be using this is some got to be spray that I use. This is actually some really good spray, guys, and it actually lasts a long time. I've been having this for a while, but yeah, I'm just going to spray that all around the top of my head, in the back of my head, in the middle. Just literally I'm going to spray this everywhere. It makes the got to be glue stay on better. And this is a glue that I'm going to be using, which I need to give me another bottle because it is running out. On this part, since my hair is short, I'm going to section the front of my hair and put some got to be glue and spray in between that. It'll just make it stay up way much better. If your hair is short, you can do this if your hair is long, but this is a really good idea if your hair is short and it is hard to get into just a ponytail. So I'm going to take a little of that got to be glue again, put it down in there, and then also here in a minute I'm going to take some spray as well to seal it just a little bit better, because you don't want no lumps or humps when you're doing a high ponytail. Now I'm going to section my hair again, but before this I tried to just put it in one ponytail, and I don't know why I tried that knowing I was bald headed, y'all, and I had a huge hump on the top of my goddamn head. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to take that out and section the front of my hair and just put that piece that's right now that I'm about to put into a ponytail. I'm going to put that into a ponytail first, and make sure you brush. I literally have to brush my hair 1,000 times, y'all, but I'm going to put that piece into a ponytail, and then the front piece I'm just going to add to that so it won't be very bumpy in the front of my head. Now after all that, now I'm just going to wrap my hair. This is just with a turban wrap, since I really don't use this one. But yeah, I'm just going to wrap my hair. Before I did, I sprayed it one last time, and then I'm wrapping my hair. I'm going to leave this on for about 30 minutes. So it'll be hard, and I don't have to worry about the backs coming out. So yeah, whatever you have, just wrap your hair up in it and leave it on for about 30 minutes or however long you want to. So it'll be hard, won't be lumpy. So when you get to put your hot ponytail in, you'll be slayed. Now it is time to get your braiding hair. Y'all know I love S braid. This is my favorite type of hair. This is in 26 inches. So if you want to do a high ponytail, make sure you get a long inch, and this is pre-stretched, so you don't have to worry about none of that. Now all I did was put a rubber band on it so I can just stick it around my ponytail. You can wrap it around your hair many times you want to. I just put mine on my ponytail once, and just so it can stay. Now, because my hair is short, I took some more S braid that I had a while back. Well, not a while back, like 2 weeks ago, that I just had around. That's what I'm going to wrap around first, because a lot of people wrap their real hair around it, so it'll be a high ponytail. But since my hair is short, I'm going to take a piece of this S braid that I don't use no more braiding hair, and that's what I'm going to wrap around my real ponytail with. Now I'm just going to take some of this Gorilla Glue in my edge thing, which I'm not going to do edges. I'm just going to take this and make sure everything is sleek in the front of my hair. That's the main concern right now. I want the front of my hair to be very sleek down. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking some of that and just making sure that it's still sleek down and it's hard. So that was the end of this video. I actually really like this hairstyle. I think I did really cute. Comment down below if you liked it and if you would try this this hair tutorial. It's really easy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below more video ideas. Subscribe if you are new to this channel. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.